So Brazil is struggling in football, wobbling in World Cup qualifiers. They got knocked out of the Copa America at the quarterfinal. They are destroying the Joga Bonita brand. So what really is happening with Brazilian football? Why is it going so rapidly to the dogs? They're not producing enough talent. They have too many players playing in Europe and blah, blah, blah. My theory is that this generation of players led by Neymar, they are too soft. They are a set of softies more concerned about the style of them here and diving and crying for fouls than winning football titles. Let's agree that by Brazilian standard, these current players are not the greatest. But compared to the other teams of today, Brazil has enough talent to be doing better. If they fight and play with heart, passion, and tenacity to match the other teams like Argentina, Uruguay, and Colombia, these teams have tougher, gutsier players who want to win football games and win football titles. While the Brazilian players, all they're trying to win, a free kick and foul. What do you think?